go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it.
I'm Grumpy, and welcome to the episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. I missed you, we back, gonna do some things, and today, I'm gonna get tricky with you. We're gonna go ahead and do a butter shrimp scampi, followed by a tomato and cucumber salad. Get your knife healthy on the back end of this summer vacation, yeah? Without further ado, let's make some bad life choices. We're gonna need a few things. The first thing we're gonna need is tomatoes. We're gonna need some prawns, some Italian seasoning, red onion, garlic, some Chardonnay wine. I'm using Persian cucumbers. We got some parsley, hot chili oil because that's gonna be some heat for our scampi, lemon juice, butter, balsamic, olive oil, and of course salt and freaking pepper. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and start getting our ingredients together. First thing we're gonna do is cut the back off our red onion, right here, just like that. And it should give you an opening here to peel, just like that. One more, roll it. There we go. What we're gonna do now, take the blade, nice thin slices, just like that. Excuse me, cucumber. We're gonna just go ahead and give nice even slices. So what you're gonna do, try to keep your hand close, the tucked in knuckle. Try to get nice, thin slices, almost like $half. Keep your fingers tucked in so you don't accidentally take your finger off. Got tomatoes. This is gonna be really easy. We're gonna take them right in half. All you're gonna do, take these little grape tomatoes, boom. Be very careful though, they can be kind of slippery. Make sure you get the heel of your knife in there so they don't slide out on you. Alright, so now we're gonna make our dressing. You're gonna need 1/8 cup of olive oil. Another 1/8 lemon juice. Go ahead and get our balsamic vinaigrette in there as well. 1/8 cup. Then what we're gonna do, our Italian seasoning. Put that guy in there. And of course to taste, black peppercorn and salt. Boom. Just give it a good whisk. Get your shrimp prepared by taking off the tails and shells that they're on. I prefer to do this way so your person that's enjoying your meal doesn't have to work extra hard when they're eating it. Put your fingers on the back of this and just pull right off. Alright, so now we're gonna get a half a stick of butter. We're gonna throw that bad boy in there. We're gonna take our chili oil, add our chili oil in there as well. We're gonna let that cook down a little bit, slowly. Give it a little coat of the pan. And then we're gonna come back to this in about 20 seconds and add our garlic. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic. I do about 3 cloves. And we're gonna let this run a little bit for about 20 seconds so we can get the aromatics of the garlic roasted in there, and we're gonna start adding our shrimp. Just like that. You're gonna let this brown up real good until your shrimp gets pink, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip and add our wine. So as you see, already starting to turn pink on us that quickly. That's good. So now, we're going to go ahead and add our cup of wine. Followed by lemon juice. About 4 squirts of lemon juice. And then we're going to let this ride out. Bring it down to about a medium low. And let this bad boy simmer out, yeah? Our shrimp. We're going to add that last part of butter. I know I'm fat. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Just like that. 2 or 3 more squirts. We're going to let this butter cook back down. And we're going to immediately take it off as soon as the butter's done, okay? Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and plate our food. We're going to get a little bit of our salad mix. While it's dry a little bit like that, I'm going to put it right in the middle. We're going to take our dressing we made earlier, and I like to do a little something crazy. I take my Scampi sauce, mix it together. Just like that. 1 second. Take my shrimp. Put it on top. There we go. Beautiful, well-made shrimp scampi with a cucumber salad. All right. If you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy.